Okay, hey guys, this been painted 530, and I had on my channel that I was gonna get a new turtle soon, and I just got them Wednesday, but I haven't found time to make a video of them. Just giving it a couple days to get used to the surroundings, and running out why I'm here on top of the 150 gallons. Instead of just put them in there for some more for some basking. It's summer now, and I have them outside, so it was a little chilly this morning, so I just put them up in the 55 gallon. They had a UV light and heat lamp on them, but it wasn't really giving off all that much heat. Yeah, I just stuck them in here for a little bit. And what kind I got was from the Turtle and Tortoise thing. Was a little baby black knob saddleback. I'm pretty sure he's a northern, but he has like one of the most perfect shell of any turtle I've seen. Has a nice, almost red-orange color with splash drawing. He has tons of designs on his splash drawing, and great patterns on his legs and his face. He has really nice knobs, great big knobs on his back, and intricate patterns there. He's probably about the size of, let me put him next to these guys. That gives you the size of him. Daisy's about around 5. She's probably hit around 6 inches now. I haven't really measured her lately, and he's about 4 inches. So that just shows how. I think he's probably a couple months old, but he's an hatchling, but he's still pretty small. Yeah, but he has a really perfect shell. He has a really good personality too. He isn't really closed up like most maps. He isn't really skittish at all. He's pretty active too. You see him struggling there to get out of mine. But he does come up to the tank and see what you're doing, so he should have a pretty good personality. But yeah, and that's the new turtle I got, and hopefully I have a lot of fun with him. It's probably my first rare turtle. And, yeah, I guess that's it, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe.